Hi everyone, welcome to Badlands and Backwoods Adventures. Today we're going to be looking at Mount Charleston. Go ahead and, what are we going to be looking at today specifically?
Well, we're going up to see snow for one. But basically what this channel is going to be about is we're going to be looking to find good trails and adventures that aren't that far out of town. We are currently living in Las Vegas, Nevada, so this is about an hour drive outside of Las Vegas. Beautiful drive. Get to go up into the mountains, see some snow, see some trees.
Yeah, and so a big thing that we want to do on this channel is just show exploration, not that far out of town, and in general just, you know, give you guys an idea of how you can have fun without going that far out of town. Like he said, today we're looking at Mount Charleston, Nevada. There is a sort of a town in this area, but it's kind of far away, so this is mostly out in the middle of nowhere, and it's really beautiful. I mean, you can see the snow. And so yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and pick up when we get to the hike. Okay.
So, we are currently climbing up the road, parked at the Echo Trailhead on Mount Charleston. As you can see, pretty chilly, snow all over the place, pretty thick in fact. Definitely when you're coming up here, you do want to consider the weather. Dress appropriate. The temperature here regularly can be 30 to 40 degrees cooler than down the valley floor where Vegas is. Currently down there, today's high was about 75. As we parked up here, my car told me it was 39. So definitely dress appropriately. Big thing to remember, do not trust Weather Underground or any of those other weather apps when it comes to the weather on Mount Charleston. Their weather reading comes from down near about halfway up, and it currently says 52 degrees when it is obviously not. So dress appropriately, wear layers in the winter, it's rather refreshing in the summer, and always wear good hiking shoes.
So, at this point, we got to the actual trail itself, and it had actually been closed due to the amount of ice. Not something we could really control at that point, but what we decided to do is, at the trailhead, fire up the drone and see what kind of footage we could get. So, sit back and enjoy the flight. So that was our trip up to Mount Charleston, Nevada. I would like to give a special shout out to the Mount Charleston Lodge restaurant. Great food, great people. We really enjoyed our meal there, so we will definitely be going back. Price range about the same as you'd actually pay at a Denny's, and better food. So definitely give them a shot. This is not a paid shout out or anything. We just really love the food. If you enjoyed the video, we will be putting more up as the time goes along. Please leave us a like and leave a comment down below, and consider subscribing. And thank you very much for watching.